It's about 5 inches in Seneca, South Carolina. Let's go do a walk around. Oh, it's cold out. It's like 27 degrees. I'm from the north. You would think I'd be used to this, but I am not, because my blood thinned out. Oh, it's cold. Oh man. The roads are good. They must have salted last night or something, because roads usually don't look that good. I mean, down there is a little bad. It probably gets worse as it goes. Let's do a quick walk around my property. Our wind's starting to pick up, so that's good. Let's watch these people drive down my street going 50 and a 35. It's always good. Yeah. They don't really know how to drive cautious. There's different ways of driving. They kind of only know one way, and that's fast. But whatever. That's on them. This tree fell from the last storm, the ice storm we had last week. I'm gonna have to cut that up at one point. Not anytime soon, but yeah. Well, the sun's out. The sun's trying to peek through right there. You can feel the wind picking up, blowing right in your face. Oh yeah. You can see it swirling around. Oh yeah. This takes me back. Takes me back for sure. I think later on I'm going to get the snowboard out, my snowboard. I'm going to take a little, see if I still got it. Take a little, see if this hill is steep enough that I can pick up some speed. See if I still have it. Haven't snowboarded in about over 15 years. See if I got it. Stay tuned for that.